Our monkey wants a tree house. But one bill is not enough. So the monkey goes to the bank. The bank lends 3 bills. When rates are low, you pay back only a little more later.
Cheap loans make borrowing feel easy.
And when loans are easy, more monkeys borrow.
Then more money starts chasing the same things. Sellers notice the crowd, and prices rise.
So cheap borrowing can push prices higher. So the central bank steps in.
It raises interest rates.
Higher rates mean you pay back more later.
So some monkeys decide not to borrow.
Borrowing slows down. With less borrowing, spending slows too.
Prices may stop rising so fast.
Low rates make loans easier. High rates make loans harder.
The goal is to cool the economy down.
That is why interest rates go up.